Deshpande from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have told you about the different types of events which occur during the embryonic development in the previous lecture. Today I will tell you about the changes during pregnancy. Changes during pregnancy, and another topic, parturition and lactation. So first of all, I want to tell you how changes occur during pregnancy. What is pregnancy? What is gestation period? These are the two important terms which generally asked in the different types of competitive examination too. First of all, what is gestation period? So, the term gestation period, as gestation period means the duration between fertilization and childbirth. Duration between fertilization and childbirth. Childbirth means parturition. So here the term parturition means childbirth. The duration between the fertilization and parturition is called gestation period. Here generally gestation period in the different types of mammals are differ, but gestation period in the human generally it is to be said as 9 months or 38 weeks, or it is 260 days. So you can write any type of answer for the human gestation period, as human gestation period may be written in the sense of month, as it is 9 months, or as in the sense of weeks it is 38 weeks, or 266 days. Gestation period for the elephant is nearly 670 days. So, gestation period which generally shows the increasing the number of offspring. Suppose gestation period in the rat only 3 weeks, means only 21 days. It means rat can produce offspring, new one, after 3 weeks. If gestation period is very less, very minimum period, then number of the individual increases. And if gestation period longer duration, like elephant, then one pair of elephant, one male and female, can produce new one after 670 days about. So maximum gestation period means less number of population of that individual, and if gestation period minimized, like I tell you, human gestation period is 9 months or 38 weeks or 260 days. But in case of rat, gestation period is 21 days, or you can say only 3 weeks. But in case of elephant, gestation period is found about 670 days. So, maximum gestation period in mammal. Here, the different type of changes occur during the pregnancy. What is pregnancy? If the blastocyst which attach with the endometrium wall of uterus, then it is called implantation. After implantation and childbirth duration, this is called as pregnancy. It means pregnancy is deeper than the gestation period. But some sense people say the gestation period between the fertilization and childbirth. But sometimes if the egg is not fertilized, then the endometrium wall, especially endometrium functionalis, which generally backs only endometrium vesicalis remain, which is very thin membrane, and the blood cells also comes out with the vagina, with the ovum. It is called menstrual cycle. Here, if the pregnancy occurs, then menstrual cycle is stopped. It means stop menstrual cycle is symbol of pregnancy in the female. But in gestation period, after fertilization, zygote start dividing, and fertilization of the oocyte with sperm after sperm entry through vagina. After 24 to 30 hours, fertilization may possible. But after fertilization, within 48 hours, zygote divides into 2 cells. In this way, marula 16 cell stage occur after 3 days, and in 4th day, generally 32 cell stage blastocyst formation takes place. This blastocyst when attached with the endometrium, this is called implantation, and later on, later days, from the 4 weeks to 5th, 6th, 7th, and then 7 month, 8 month, 9 month, complete fetus development which comes out through the vagina, this is called parturition. And after parturition, lactation occurs. But here I discuss about the changes during pregnancy. Changes during pregnancy. First of all, here the after pregnancy or after implantation. Implantation means attachment of 32 cell stage means blastocyst with uterus wall, and uterus wall means endometrium. This is called implantation. Here, implantation when occur, then the neuroendocrine change result, the contraction start in the uterus wall layer. Due to this, secretion of oxytocin occur by anterior lobe of, here oxytocin secretion which occur by posterior lobe of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland means master gland, which result the much contraction start, which result the much contraction of uterus wall occur. This is called coitus ejection reflex before childbirth. So, different types of changes occur after implantation. Implantation means attachment of the blastocyst with uterus endometrium wall. Here, neuroendocrine change result, contraction start in the uterus wall layer. Due to this, secretion of oxytocin by posterior lobe of pituitary gland result, much contraction occur of uterus wall, and this is called as a result of coital ejection reflex. Coital ejection reflex before childbirth. But sometimes a question arises. Before childbirth, sometimes doctor use a type of injection. What is the name of such type of injection? So, the doctor used pitocin. Here pitocin term for oxytocin and misoprostol injection before childbirth. So the answer is for the question, that is, which injection used by the doctor before the childbirth. So answer has given here pitocin. Pitocin name has given for oxytocin, which is secreted from the hypothalamus, then posterior lobe of pituitary gland. Another injection is misoprostol. misoprostol and the type of injection given by the doctor. As the contraction result the opening of the here as a result of contraction continue as a continue contraction cervix loosen so fetus comes out through vagina. Called parturition. So here the parturition which occur as a result of contraction of uterus wall. Contraction of uterus wall generally result the parturition. As the parturition here very important term which is called as childbirth. Parturition called as childbirth. As parturition is a type of neuroendocrine change. It means role of nervous system and hormonal secretion both occur during the parturition. But when the contraction starts in the uterus wall due to the secretion of oxytocin. Oxytocin secretion occur by the posterior lobe of pituitary gland, and this oxytocin which also secreted from the hypothalamus part, which is called as master of master gland, and pituitary gland called as master gland. So oxytocin which is generally secreted from the hypothalamus and posterior lobe of pituitary gland which secrete oxytocin which result much uterine contraction. Here which result much uterine contraction take place. This is the much contraction of uterus wall occur, and a type of sensation occur in the female which is called as the fetal ejection reflex. Fetal ejection reflex before childbirth. Childbirth means parturition. So before parturition the fetal ejection reflex take place, and sometimes doctor also use injection in the mother body before childbirth. Injection of pitocin. Pitocin means oxytocin, and misoprostol given by the doctor. So easily childbirth take place. And what is definition of parturition? Here as a continued contraction cervix loosen. So fetus means as the legs and hands, ears, eyelid and different organ development occur completely after the 8 weeks. So after 8 weeks, embryo is called fetus, and developed fetus which has complete development of organ and RBC production in the red bone marrow. Although RBC production occur during the 4th week from the liver cell. So RBC production when start in the red bone marrow, which develop after the 7 months. So this is the fetus, and sometimes pronunciation is fetus, but you write fetus. Fetus comes out through vagina called parturition. Fetus comes out through vagina called parturition. But which type of hormone secretion occur by the placenta, and which type of act has done by the fetus? Because parturition is combined form. Parturition means it is the combined role of the placenta as well as fetus. Placenta and fetus both involved in the parturition. As I defined already about the placenta in the previous lecture, here placenta which provide the different type of facility to the embryo, like oxygen supply, nutrition supply, supply of blood, and takes the excretory product like carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid, creatinine. So placenta also secrete different types of hormone. Placenta also secrete different types of hormone. Different type of changes occur, and the placenta secretes different types of hormone. So placenta hormone are many, like HCG, HPL means human placental lactogen, estrogen, and progesterone. Here the human chorionic gonadotropin. Human chorionic gonadotropin secretion generally occur during this the secretion formation of membranes around embryo. Formation of membrane around embryo occur in 2 weeks. Here 2 weeks to 6 weeks. Important hormone estrogen which increases heartbeat in fetus. As heartbeat in fetus is 131, or sometimes you can say 113 beats per minute. It means it is more than adult, because in the adult heartbeat is 72 times per minute. So it is from 113 to 131 times in the case of 131 times beats per minute in the case of heartbeat of fetus. So increases heartbeat due to the estrogen secretion, and HPL, this hormone generally helpful lactose formation, lactose in the milk, and different type of change which is shown here by the help of a sketch as given. This is the zygote, which is single cell zygote, now develop in the form of marula in the 3 days, and then marula develop as containing the cavity blastocyst in 4 days, and in the 5th days generally, or you can say small size embryo develop in the body as 4 weeks. 4 weeks heartbeat occur, heartbeat start, or heartbeat listen by stethoscope. Stethoscope used by the doctor for listening the heartbeat. So this is the embryo which developed in 4 weeks. After this, the formation of the symbol of the hand and legs in the body as given take place in the 6 weeks, and in between the 6 weeks to 8 weeks, 8 week stage generally the small size leg develop, hand develop, here neck and ear develop, hand develop, mouth part develop, and the leg develop. So it is in the 8th week called as fetus, and in the 12-week duration complete development of fetus take place, and in 12 weeks complete development of fetus take place as given here. This is the hand, leg, ear, eyelid develop, the hand develop completely, leg also develop. So this is the complete developed fetus in 12 weeks duration in the uterus. This is the uterus wall. So generally the zygote, which generally develop as a result of fusion of the male gamete with the female gamete. Suppose this is the large size ovum, which generally present in the fallopian tube. When the male gamete touch in the fallopian tube, then such zygote development occur in the fallopian tube. So this condition arises in the fallopian tube where the internal fertilization occur, in which the sperm fuses with the ovum, means ooted, and zygote means one cell structure develop. After the 24 to 30 hours, then division start. In the zygote, it makes two cells as longitudinal divisions occur first. Then right angle, one second division occurs, and within the 3 days, the stage develop which is called as marula, and after 4 days, the stage develop which is called as blastocyst. This blastocyst, which generally attach with the endometrium wall. This is the as attached blastocyst in the endometrium wall. Here, endometrium wall, which generally shows the ruchi. This is the ruchi-like structure and has the different blood cells. The other part of uterus has shown here. The embryo, here embryo develop which has the heart within 28 days or 4 weeks, 21 days or 4 weeks, heart development occur. After the 5 weeks, development of the primary stick and development of the kidney and liver take place. Kidney and liver develop in 5 weeks. Here in 6 weeks, generally the hands and legs develop. Legs and then the elbow develop. After this, in 8 weeks, the ear development. Ear develop and the week embryonic stage termed as fetus because it has legs and hands, ear, external ear develop. After this, within 12 weeks, total fetus development occur, in which external ear and the eyelid development, eyelid and tear gland develop. After 4 weeks, here a question arises, that is, when the male and female means male sex and female sex identify during the gestation period. So answer is after 63 days. After 63 days means after 9 weeks. It means the identification of sex or sex identified in 9 weeks means sex identified after 9 weeks. So this is the answer, and different steps occur which has shown here. I want to explain again. Like first of all, fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. This is the fertilization, and fertilization means the sperm fuses with the ovum. Here, after the development of the complete fetus, parturition takes place. I have explained that during the parturition, role of pituitary gland and contraction of uterus wall start under the neuroendocrine control. So parturition is the childbirth occur under the neuroendocrine control, in which the contraction of uterus results secretion of oxytocin from the posterior lobe of pituitary gland. Here, lactation one word. What is lactation? What is lactation? This is the question. What is lactation? This is the question. So, lactation means secretion of milk or milk secretion by mammary gland. Milk secretion by mammary gland after parturition. After parturition for the young baby. Nutrition. Lactation means milk secretion by mammary gland. Milk secretion generally occur due to the effect of one hormone as the prolactin of anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary generally secrete prolactin, which induces milk secretion by mammary gland after parturition for the young baby nutrition. As First milk is called colostrum. First milk is called colostrum. Here, first milk is called colostrum, and this colostrum which contain the antibody IgA, which causes passive immunity in the baby. So this is the important. Generally, the milk which contain the different type of sugar and minerals, like milk contain lactose, sugar, water, calcium, and some amount of the phosphorus and the vitamin except vitamin C. So this is the composition of milk, and milk pH is about 5.5 in mother milk. So all the lectures like the changes during pregnancy, population and lactation have discussed by me. Please like, subscribe my video, my channel Super Classes. Thank you.